Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guessed it, I'm going to be showing you guys my Louis Vuitton repair that I finally got back. I dropped off my repair on November 5th, 2017, and I picked it up on January 10th, 2018. So it did take a while for me to get it back, but overall I think it was worth it. They quoted me at it costing $90 before tax to get it completely revarnished around the edges, and after tax it ended up costing me a total of $97.65, which I think it was worth it because you basically get your wallet made brand new again. This is the bag that they give you your wallet back in, or whatever you take to get back, to get repaired, and they give you a brand new dust bag. And this is what the wallet looks like now. They revarnished all of this. All of the edges are brand new. It even smells new. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the way it turned out. It looks brand new. Turned out better than I had thought. And I like the fact that now the edges are darker, as to before it was a light brown, and now it's a darker brown. Overall, I'm really satisfied with the way it turned out. I'll insert some before and after pictures at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.